This is my place. I belong to beautiful Rajasthan. I belong to this desert. How is it? Everyone would think that it's so difficult to live in such place, but I say I love it. This is my home and I love it. You see this place? From this place, Pakistan is hardly 5 kilometers. So I'm just on the border of India and Pakistan. Do you see there? I can see one car got stuck in the desert. We are just waiting to get out of this. So it's not really a good idea to bring your car in such desert. If you want to enjoy the safari, if you want to enjoy the jeep safari, you can just hire one from here. I'm going to that place where that car got stuck in the desert. Let's see if I can be helpful to them. They are over there from last 2 hours, I just heard. So if you want to drive, just hire one of the local who is an expert with this desert instead of trying by yourself. Otherwise you are going to get stuck in the desert for a long time. So be careful. So this is an army vehicle which got stuck in the sand. That's because of the 4x4 of this car is not working anymore. Everyone is helping out to get this out of the sand, but it's difficult. They have just called for the help, and a truck is coming, and I'm sure that's going to help. Look at this beautiful village. So these local boys are playing cricket, and this young boy is bowling. That tells that wherever you are living in India, the cricket is your spirit. Yeah!
Wow, lovely shot.
Finally, I can see that truck has got it out of the sand, and that's great. यार इंडिया फाइनल हार गई, तुम लोगों को दुख हुआ या नहीं हुआ? क्यों?
इंडिया में रहते हैं भारत में और फाइनल तक पहुंच गई थी बहुत मेहनत करके।
अरे यार लास्ट मैच
हाँ लास्ट
है ना, सारे मैच। तू बता कैसा लगा तेरे को? दुख हुआ? तेरी फेवरेट टीम कौन सी है?
इंडिया।
इंडिया। और फेवरेट क्रिकेटर प्लेयर कौन सा है? सबसे बढ़िया तू बता दे।
मेरा विराट कोहली।
और तेरा?
रोहित शर्मा।
रोहित शर्मा। अरे वाह यार।
ये अपनी के बच्चे हैं गोट।
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.